सी इट इज़ डाटेस्ट। तुम मेरे को सेंड करो, आ जाएगा। तुम जाओ खोलो मेरा चैनल।
सब्सक्राइब किए हैं, बेल आइकन प्रेस किए हैं।
नहीं आता है। Give me the link of that particular. Open the comment section from this phone. Good morning, students. So this class is for class, this online class is going to be held for the class 8, and I was teaching cylinder. In mensuration chapter, I was teaching the topic cylinder, volume, and doing few questions regarding the cylinder. Then suppose you have a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder whose height is h centimeter and radius of the cylinder is r centimeter. Watching, 3 watchings. Open comment section. Then what is the volume of cylinder, student? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and curved surface area of the cylinder is the area of the curving part, which is 2 pi r h, and the total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus the area of the circular base. We have to add the area of this circular base, and the 2 circular base, then the area of the 2 circle is 2 pi r square, and you can take common 2 pi r and bracket h plus r is there. Then this is total surface area of the cylinder. Got it? Now we are going to solve few questions based on cylinders. Based on the very first question of this topic is, see this question, it is from your book. You can match. Most probably this question is from 20 to 21, 22, 23, or these questions are. Then you can match this question from your book. And the curved surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4375 centimeters square, and it is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 35 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the sheet. Correct. So let me draw a hollow cylinder. Suppose this is a hollow cylinder. Suppose, student, this is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder, and the question is saying that the curved surface area of this cylinder is, let me write, the curved surface area of given cylinder equals to 4375 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cylinder, and it cut along its height and form a rectangular sheet of width 35 centimeter. इसको height के along we have to cut it, correct? This is the height, and if we cut the cylinder from the height and open it, it will form a rectangular sheet. It will form a rectangular sheet. You know that, sir, this is the height of the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder, which is going to be, so here given the formed a rectangular sheet of width 35 centimeter, and width of the cylinder rectangular sheet is given 35 centimeter. This is going to be height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Then students, please reply in the comment section. Everything is visible to you clearly? Dear students, please reply in the comment section that everything is visible to you and properly audible, and you are listening and learning. Then the height of the cylinder is 35 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 35 centimeter. And what about the length? You know that, sir, if this cylinder having radius r centimeter, if you open this circular base, agar is circular base ko you are going to open, then it is going to be length of this rectangular sheet, and length equals to 2 pi r, because the circular base, देखो ये पूरा सर्कल है, तो इस सर्कल की जो पैरामीटर होती है और circumference is always 2 pi r, and if you open this, if you cut along its height and open it, you will form a rectangular sheet, and the length r, that is 2 pi r. Then students, if everything is visible and you are understanding, please tell to your friend also to join this session, and tell them that everything is visible and you can understand, so that every student can join and learn these questions. L equals to 2 pi r, the length. Now the question is asking the perimeter of rectangular sheet. We want the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. We must know what is the value of 2 pi r. अगर हमें ये, if we able to find the length, then we can easily determine the perimeter of this rectangular sheet. So in order to find the length of this rectangular sheet, the curved surface area of the cylinder is given. Curved surface area means 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h 4375 is given, centimeter square is given to you. It means that 2 pi r and value of the h is given to you 35 centimeter, which is 35 centimeter. Right? 35 centimeter in the place of h and 4375 centimeter square. You want the value of 2 pi r, then 2 pi r equals to 4375 divided by 35, correct? And you just cancel out and get the value of 2 pi r, which is going to be 125. 125. Beta, you can cancel this, you will having 125. बहुत पहले का वो. Now तो 7, यही तो कंफ्यूजन करता है ना कि स्टार्टिंग में कुछ टाइम के लिए स्क्रीन नहीं चलती है, तो बच्चों को लगता है कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है. तो you are going to cancel this. 7 5s are 35 and 7 6, this is 17. Then 17 7 14 and 7 5s are 35. From 5 you are going to cancel 1 or length. 2 pi r is equal to length. Then length and 2 pi r is 125 centimeter. The question is asking what is the perimeter of this rectangle. Beta, the perimeter of the rectangle is, very good students, you are understanding, very good. Then I can see your comment that you people are saying that yes sir, we are able to understand. Good. Then the perimeter of rectangle equals to 2L plus B. Then is sir, length is sir 125 plus breadth is 35. Length is 125 and breadth is 35. Then see the perimeter equals to 2 multiplied, इसे ऐड कर लेंगे 5 5 10 160 and after multiplying 16 2 जा 32 320 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Okay, now move for the next question and we'll understand the next question from your book. This question is also from your book. A road roller has diameter 0.7 meter and its width is 1.2 meter. Students, whatever I am teaching, it will be available after this live class also. You can see the video multiple times and understand these concepts and the questions. Okay, अगर आपको बाद में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, you can see these videos. Okay, the road roller has diameter 0.7 meter and its width is 1.2 meter. See, this is a road roller. Let me make a road roller. देखो road roller का जो shape होता है बेटा, it is like a cylinder. इस तरह से होता है. It is like a cylinder and whose diameter is 0.5. Then diameter of the road roller means cylinder. बेटा you know that sir diameter का काम तो होता नहीं. We want the radius. तो radius of the cylinder R equals to 0.7/2. एंड अगर ये डेसिमल लग के जीरो करेंगे और फिर ये डेसिमल कैंसिल कर देंगे, यू विल हैव 7/20 मीटर इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर. नाउ द विड्थ ऑफ द रोड रोलर. विड्थ मीन्स बेटा ये, ठीक है, ये कितना, ये रोड रोलर कितना चौड़ा है, ठीक है, मतलब विड्थ क्या है इसकी. देन विड्थ इज गोइंग टू बी हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर एंड विच इज 1.2 मीटर. करेक्ट. देन विड्थ मीन्स हाइट of the cylinder H is given by 1.2 meter. देखो कोई भी सिलेंड्रिकल टाइप का बेटा, अगर सिलेंड्रिकल टाइप का इस तरह से रोड रोलर है तो जो इसकी विड्थ होगी वही क्या होगी, सिलेंडर की हाइट होगी. देन हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 1.2 मीटर एंड 1.2 मीटर. देन फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशंस दैट द रोलर मस्ट टेक इन ऑर्डर टू ट्रेवल अ प्लेग्राउंड. In order to level a playground having size 120 meter and 44 meter. देखो बेटा, इस रोड रोलर को क्या करना है, एक प्लेग्राउंड है, उसकी डायमेंशन कितनी है 120 मीटर एंड 44 मीटर. इस पर इस रोड रोलर को पूरा चलना है, तो इस कितनी बार इसे इट हैज़ टू मेक अ राउंड सो दैट दिस एरिया कैन बी लेवल्ड. ये एरिया को लेवल करने के लिए हाउ मेनी टाइम द रोड रोलर हैज़ टू मेक अ रोलिंग, कितनी बार इसे रोल करना होगा. तो यू नो दैट सर इफ रोड रोलर इज गोइंग टू रोल वंस इट विल गोइंग टू लेवल द एरिया विच इज इक्वल टू द कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रोड रोलर. भाई जो रोड रोलर है अगर ये एक बार पूरा रोटेट करेगा तो कितने एरिया को कवर करेगा, इट विल कवर द 2πRH बिकॉज 2πRH इज द एरिया ऑफ द कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस रोलर. देन कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रोलर इज हाउ मच 2πRH. अगर एक बार घूमता है in one rotation the area covered by the road roller can be written as 2πRH. You can write here also in single rotation road roller can cover the area equals to 2πRH. Then तो 2 पाई आर एच अगर एक बार में चल रहा है तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, n टाइम्स चलना है, और टोटल कितना एरिया चलना है कितना टोटल एरिया कवर करना है, 120 इंटू 44. दिस इज द एरिया. दिस एरिया मस्ट बी इक्वल टू द सिंगल टाइम एरिया एंड इनटू हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट हैज़ टू ट्रेवल. मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे दोनों को तो ये एरिया के इक्वल हो जाना चाहिए. फ्रॉम दिस स्टेटमेंट or this equation you have to find out the value of n, number of times. Then 2 is n equals to 120 into 44. Solve this equations and tell me the answer. 7 और 7 ये cancel हो जाएगा. Student, I am giving you few times to solve this. If you are able to reply, please write in the comment section. 7 will get cancelled, and if you divide by 2, then you can say that 2 1 ja 2, this is 10, and from 11 you can divide 11 2 ja 22, 11 4 ja 44, sir. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and n equals to 120 into 2, and you are only having 1.2 divided by 10, तो ये उधर जाएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा, it will become 10 divided by 1.2, correct. Then 1.2 decimal remove करेंगे for the आगे place में, where n equals to 120 multiplied 2 multiplied 10 अपॉन 1.2. यहाँ पर डेसिमल लगाएंगे, ज़ीरो बढ़ा लेंगे, डेसिमल कैंसिल, 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 12 1 जा 12, 12 1 जा 12. n इक्वल्स टू 100 एंड 1 0 2 0 3 0, तो 2 इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3, 2000 times the roller has to roll to cover this area or level this area of the rectangular field. Now move for the next question. Move for the next question. Dear students, okay. Then the question number, this one, this question, the ratio between the curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder is 1:2. The ratio of CSA, curved surface area, and TSA, total surface area, is given to 1:2. It means that what? It means that the total surface area, the curved surface area, equals to x, and the total surface area of the cylinder can be 2x. Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder, and given that the total surface area is 616 centimeter square. If the total surface area equals to 616 centimeter square, then what is the total surface area? Total surface area is 2x. Right here 2x equals to 616, x equals to, sir, 616 by 2, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 2 3 जा 6 and 2 8 जा 16. Value of x is 308, and you know that x is curved surface area. Then curved surface area, you must understand the curved surface area is x, and x equals to 308 centimeter square is the curved surface area. Now what the question is showing, find the volume of the cylinder. In order to find the volume of the cylinder, let me erase these things, and then solve the questions. So students, I hope you are able to understand. Correct? So where we have calculated the curved surface area and total surface area. Now we want the volume. If you want to calculate volume, then volume of the cylinder is volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. This value you want. You know that curved surface area is 308 centimeter square and total surface area is 616 centimeter square. We know that, and we have to calculate the volume of this cylinder. In order to find the volume of the cylinder, we must have R and H. So the curved surface area will be 2 pi RH, which is 308, and total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. This is total surface area. Total surface area is 616. Then student, from this equation what we can do, if you want the value of h or r, we can write here 2 pi r, and in the place of h we can write 308 upon, in the place of h, from this equation I can write h equals to 308 divided by 2 pi r. h की वैल्यू अगर यहाँ से निकाले तो 308 और 2 pi r को डिवाइड में भेजेंगे 2 pi r. Then value of h can be written here 2 pi r and plus r equals to 616. Then pi r और ये 2 pi r का r में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 308 plus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r equals to 616. 2 pi r can be cancelled and 2 pi r square equals to 308. जो आपका LHS में उधर जाएगा पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. 616 minus 308. You will be subtracting this and getting what? 308. Correct? Then 2 pi r square equals to 308. 2 से कैंसिल करेंगे, 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 8. Pi r square equals to 154, and after that, if the pi r square is 154, what you can do? See, sir, if the pi r square, then value of the pi is 22 by 7, r square equals to 154, then r square equals to, sir, 154 upon 7 upon 22. भाई 22 by 7 है, जब LHS में जाए RHS में जाएगा तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. And we will divide 11 2 जा 22, 11 1 जा 11, 11 4 जा 44, 2 1 जा 2, 2 7 जा 14. R square equals to 7 into 7 and r equals to 7. The radius of this cylinder is 7 centimeter. If you have calculated the radius, easily you can get the answer of the height. Height can be obtained if the radius is 7, so by taking this equation you can find the height also. Then height equals to what? 308 divided by 2, 22 by 7, and radius is 7. 7 or 7 can get cancelled. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Only 22 is remaining here. 11 2 ja 22. Here from 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. H is also 7. See guys, R is also 7, H is also 7. You have to find volume. 22 by 7 into R square means 7 into 7. And what is the value of H? Also 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled. 22 into 49. You will multiply and you will get the volume centimeter cube. Okay. First of all, you have to, in this way, you have to understand the question from this. These things, and then move for understand the radius, and after that we are going to understand the height, and we will put the value of R and H and evaluate the volume of this cylinder. Now move to the next and very important question from your book, which is from your book, and this question is last question of your book and very important question also. So you have a cylindrical pipe, you have in adjoining figure shows a metal pipe, which is a metal pipe and 77 centimeter long. An inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter and outer one is 4.4 centimeter. Find the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Krishna Gamer, what are you saying? No sir, no sir. What happened, Krishna? Is there any problem to understand? You are saying no sir, no sir. Sivansi, Kasis. Where is Anushka Shukla? Anushka, you are watching the video. So let's understand. I hope you people are watching and understanding. Now let me move for the question, and the question is in the joining figure shows metal pipe whose 77 centimeter long. See beta, this pipe is length of the pipe is 77 centimeter long, and the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The inner diameter means this one. This is the inner diameter. Let me take a different color to make you visible. See, this is the inner diameter. This one is the inner diameter. This one is the inner diameter. Cross section means this. इधर से हम देखेंगे गोले में तो inner diameter D, this is given to you 77 centimeter. 77 centimeter. This is inner diameter. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, and the outer one is 4.4. If we talk about the outer diameter of this circle, then outer diameter, let me show you the outer diameter of this. Outer diameter beta is from this point to this point. This is the outer diameter, and length of outer diameter is given in the question, which is 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. What you have to calculate, you just have to calculate the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area of this cylinder. Let's start with the question that the very first thing we are doing here is what is the formula of CSA, curved surface area. The curved surface area, let me change the color. Then curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. This is the curved surface area. You must understand that, sir. Let's take the inner, let me specify first radius and everything. Then the inner diameter I am representing as D1. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. It means that inner radius R1 will be 2 centimeter. Correct? Now the outer diameter is D2, which is given by 4.4 centimeter. Then R2 is what? Inner radius will be R2, and which is 2.2 centimeter. So now you are calculating the inner CSA, inner curved surface area. If you are calculating inner R, 1 for both the cylinders, inner or outer, then here h only, then 2 multiplied by pi is 22 by 7 into what is R1? R1 is 2 centimeter beta, it is the inner radius, and what is h? H is 77 centimeter. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, correct? 24 multiplied 2 into 11. From this 44 2 ja 88 into 11 8 ja 88, carry 8, 11 8 ja 88, and 8 8 16, 968 centimeter square. 968 centimeter square is the area of the inner part. Inner मतलब बस बेटा इसके अंदर का ये एरिया, जो ये सरफेस है ना, ये वाली ये जो कर्व सरफेस है, इसको अगर हम फाइंड करने गए अंदर वाली, तो दिस एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी 968 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Are you able to understand? Let me draw. See, we are finding this curved surface area, this for the inner cylinder, Now, the second question is find the curved surface area of the outer cylinder. In order to find the curved surface area of the outer cylinder, we have to take radius R2. अभी कौन सी रेडियस लेनी होगी हमें? बेटा हमें ये वाली रेडियस लेनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि हमें R2 का चाहिए ना, तो ये रेडियस हमें लेनी होगी आउटर का कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालने के लिए. फॉर द आउटर सिलेंडर द कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ outer cylinder is also 2 pi R2H. Then 2 pi is 22 by 7. What is R2? Beta R2 is 2.2. R2 is 2.2. And what about the height? Height is 77 centimeter, common both the cylinder. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. You have to multiply 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11. Correct? If you multiply all these 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11, then you are going to have here 1064.8 centimeter square to area of the outer surface of the outer cylinder, curve surface area of the outer cylinder. तो आउटर सिलेंडर का कर्व सरफेस निकालने जाएंगे, जो पार्ट है कर्व सरफेस एरिया, तो 1064.8 centimeter square. The first question is over and second one is over, and the third one you have here, find the total surface area. Total surface area क्या होता है? ये वाला हो गया हमारा, ये वाला हो गया. We want to find total surface area here from this question. So in order to find a total surface area, see, total surface area आपको बेटा करना ये होगा, अगर इनर सरफेस एरिया निकालना है,